Action.
Hello, my name is Maria Sanchez, and this is the pilot show for Hi Maria. Everyone say Hi Maria.
Hi Maria.
Hello. So today we are going to talk to people who laugh for no reason. Today we have Melissa Sanchez, and Melissa, tell us what you laugh at. Haha.
Girl, I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay, how you say make you happy inside all the time.
Oh, girl, let me tell you. Alright, so I be taking my girls, my babies, right? I got like 8 kids.
Oh.
So I be taking them to the zoo.
Oh.
And my kids think I'm crazy because every time I go to the zoo, it's these monkeys, it's these chimps, right? They poop and then they throw it.
Okay. I don't know if I say poop on station.
Well, if I say, is that gonna make a difference?
Okay, and another person is Lesta Evans, and Lesta is going to, what makes you, how you say, giggle in your belly?
Yeah, man. Me work at the old folks' home, you know, and me see them falling all the time, you know. It just cracks me up, you know.
Oh, gee, oh my God, I know.
Yeah,
yes.
man. And see them tripping fall, you know, walking on the walker.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
I can see how that's funny though. They
Oh.
fall like in slow motion.
Yeah, man. They fall them, you know.
Okay.
It takes them forever to get.
Take them forever, and
That's-
they, you know, me no kill them.
Do they know that you're laughing?
No,
In their face?
No, not in the face, no.
Okay.
No, behind the wall, you know.
Yeah.
Me peek behind the wall, you know.
Do you really work there?
Yeah. Me work in the kitchen, you know. Me serve food, you know, the protein stuff, you know.
Okay, so moving on, and this is my last guest. She's from out of town, so this is our celebrity guest. You may have saw her on the Celebrity Apprentice in South Africa. This is Nobubu Kentete, and she's going to tell you what she thinks is funny. Nobubu, thank you for being our celebrity guest. Did you like the hotel we put you in?
Beautiful.
Thank you. Sorry about cockroaches. So listen, what makes you laugh? Is this why you got kicked off the Celebrity Apprentice?
Oh.
I think. Okay. So what makes you laugh?
It is so hilarious.
Tell us now.
Well, what happens is when I go to the mall with my girls, you won't believe it. I'm telling you.
Yeah,
It's
man.
a riot. Let me tell you what.
Say.
Woman crazy.
Do you know how when you see people shopping?
Yeah.
Isn't that just hilarious? Isn't that funny? I think that's just the funniest
I
thing.
feel Smeo. What are they
The
doing?
woman them crazy.
They're shopping.
The
You know what
African
I'm
women
saying?
crazy, you know.
They're buying
But
things.
no, they're crazy
You
now.
know they go in the store
Okay,
and
so
buy.
okay. So you laugh at the monkeys, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, man, choke
So
them.
what is it about you?
they
Because
laughing.
what is it about you? This is a Maria question. What is it about you that make you laugh at other people that you don't like about yourself that you laugh at monkeys? Ooh.
Okay, did you even understand what you just said?
Okay, I say slower. I'm from out of town. What is it about you that makes you laugh at what other people going on inside you in your heart that think it's okay to laugh at people about you? What's going on inside?
See, this is how I know you crazy because that ain't even the question you just asked.
No.
it's
That's
I think that's your lack of English.
something.
What is it? Okay, let
I don't laugh at people. I laugh at the monkeys that's throwing the poop.
how do you think people feel when how do you say dirty on their body? You laugh.
I think they think it's funny too because they laugh because they think that the chips is funny. When in all actuality, I really think that the chips is like, haha, you stupid because I just threw my feces at you. That's what I think.
How old are you?
Yeah.
I'm grown. Don't worry about how old I am.
Oh, okay.
The monkey them too.
Okay.
Listen, boo,
Please
you in Atlanta.
stay seated.
You in
okay.
Atlanta.
Now moving
Don't do
on.
it.
it about you that make you laugh at old people falling down to Monkey Town, not getting hurt over and over? What is it today?
So you went to laugh.
Said he changed it.
Well, what happened was I was born in Mexico, but I also sometimes went over to Australia, so I got a bit of everything.
Cut.
Okay.